How to change your Wire Messenger password. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are using Wire Messenger and looking to change your password, then here's how you do it. First of all, open up the Wire Messenger app on your device and log into your account if you are not logged in already. And once you're inside the Conversation tab, go ahead and tap on the settings icon at the bottom right corner. Inside the settings menu, select Account. Inside Account, scroll down and look for the Reset Password button and tap on it. You'll then be taken to this page where you need to enter your email associated with Wire account and click Reset Password. Now, you'll receive a reset link sent to you via your email. Go ahead and open it up and open the email from Wire. Click on Reset Password inside the email. Select any web browser to continue. And now, enter the new password you want to change to. Finally, click on Reset Password. And now you can log in with your new password for Wire. On your Wire application, you'll be redirected to the login page where you'll be prompted to enter your password. Just go ahead and enter your password that you just changed to and click Next. And there you go. That's how you can change your Wire Messenger's password. Thanks for following along. I hope this tutorial helped you to update your password quickly and securely. Be sure to check out more beginner-friendly guides for helpful tips and easy step-by-step tutorials on our channel. Have a wonderful day, stay safe, and happy messaging.